how to send pictures to Poly AI. So in Poly AI, the only section where you could technically upload images is directly here when you're creating a content or creating a character. So as you can see, you can upload images and whatnot, but you can't really send these pictures in the chat though. So there's no feature to attach or upload or send images once you're in a character section. Over here, you could go to any of these and you won't be able to send an image. So that pretty much means there's no attach button, since the Polybuzz app is designed as a text-only chat platform. There's no camera gallery upload in chat, there's no way for you to send images, and no reliable way for characters to send their images also after. So if you are looking for a send a photo feature or an attach image, or basically the AI that sends you a image, that is not supported in this app. But title is like this just to inform you, I suppose, once you get into this video. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.